Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sell stock in Webull. First, open the Webull app on your device and navigate to your main portfolio screen. From there, you'll need to find the specific stock you wish to sell from your list of holdings. Once you've located it, simply tap on the stock to bring up its detailed information page. Then, select the Trade button and finally, choose Sell to begin the transaction process. Next, you'll need to decide on your order type. A market order sells immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price. After selecting your type, enter the exact number of shares you want to sell. It's crucial to double-check all the details, including the price and quantity, to ensure accuracy before moving on to the final confirmation step. Now, it's time for the final review. Take a moment to verify every detail of your order, ensuring the price, quantity of shares, and order type are exactly as you intended. Once you are completely satisfied, tap the Sell button to execute your stock transaction. You can then monitor the status of your order in the Orders tab to confirm its successful completion. After your sale is complete, the funds will typically settle in your account within 2 business days. Remember to consider any potential tax implications, as capital gains or losses from stock sales can affect your tax situation. It's always wise to consult a tax professional for personalized advice. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.